Hey everyone, we're thrilled to announce our newest listing in the great neighborhood of University Heights. This darling California bungalow is located right on Madison Avenue. University Heights, it's well known for its vibrant community, its incredible walkability, and some of the best restaurants in San Diego. Imagine living just a few blocks away from your favorite cafes, shops, and parks, and with easy access to transit and freeways. And a popular spot for families in this community is the Trolley Park, which features a playground, open green spaces, also known for its summer concerts and community gatherings, some of the best. And then some of the favorite restaurants, and one of my favorites is Plumeria Vegetarian Restaurant. It's highly rated for delicious Thai and vegan dishes that everyone loves. Another favorite to many, it's actually called Madison. They feature craft cocktails, modern Mediterranean, Southern California food, and they are super dog friendly. So if your doggy behaves, you can bring them along as well. There are just a few of the favorite places in the neighborhood. Let's talk about the house. It's a 2-bedroom bungalow. It's beautifully upgraded with HVAC system, a tankless water heater, energy efficient solar panels. Not only are you going to enjoy the comforts of modern living, but you'll also benefit from the reduced energy costs. Living here means enjoying the best of both worlds, the tranquility of this picturesque bungalow and the convenience of this lively neighborhood. Stay tuned as we walk you through this amazing home and we highlight the best features. And if you're interested in a private showing, you want to learn more about University Heights, DM us or call the number below and someone from our team will be happy to get back to you.